Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome again, guys. Welcome back to another video lecture by Kami Microbiologist. Today, in this video, in the series or 4 videos lecture, we are going to see the chapter number 3 MCQs. We are going to cover the chapter number 3 MCQs that is related to sterilization culture, culture media, and power culture techniques. In the previous videos lectures, we already talked about the chapter number 1 MCQs and chapter number 2 MCQs, means the history of microbiology and gram staining bacteria. These things we already talked the MCQs related to this. If you missed these video lectures, so I will recommend you that go back to my channel and watch the video related this. So let's start the video of the chapter number 3 MCQs. So the first MCQs of the chapter number 3 says that the medium used in membrane filter technique was, so in membrane filter technique the medium is EMRVP medium. B is the correct option. Now what is Lysol? So Lysol is actually disinfectant. B is the correct option. MCQs number 3 says that which of the following is a neutral stain? So neutral stain is neutral red. C is the correct option. MCQs number 4 says that peptone water medium is a good example of what? So it is actually the good example of a semi-synthetic medium. B is the correct option. Okay. MCQs number 5 says that the method in which the cell are frozen, dehydrated, is called, we mostly called it lipolysation. D is the correct option. MCQs number 6 says that the technique used to avoid all microorganism is accomplished, means all type of the organism when death. What type of this technique is called? We call that type of technique sterilization. A is the correct option. MCQs number 7 says that the thermal death time is what? So the thermal death time is the temperature that kills all cells in a given time. B is the correct option. MCQs 8 says that a culture media, the exact composition of which is not known, was called as, so we don't know about the exact composition in a media, we call that simple medium. A is the correct option. MCQs number 9 says that Elix gel diffusion test is used. So we mostly use this type of the test to detect the diphtheria toxin. C is the correct option. MCQs number 10 says that the temperature required for the pasteurization, so mostly below 100. B is the correct option. Okay. Now MCQs number 11 says that the separation of a single bacterial colony is called, we call that the separation of single, we call that simply separation. B is the correct option. 13 MCQ says that which of the following is ionizing radiation? So the ionizing radiation is the gamma rays. C is the correct option. Then we have MCQs number 13 which says that which of the following induces dimerization of thymine? So for dimerization of thymine, UV rays is important. So B is the correct option. MCQs number 14 says that when food material are preserved at a temperature just above the freezing temperature, what that process is called? We call that process chilling. C is the correct option. MCQs number 15 says that which of the following method for sterilization has no effect on the spores? So mostly drying. If there is a drying temperature, there will be no effect on the spore. A is the correct option. 16 number MCQ says that Treponema pallidum can be the best identifying. So we mostly identify it using a bright field microscope. B is the correct option. MCQs number 17 says that autoclave is carried. So autoclave is mostly carried out 120 centigrade. C is the correct option. MCQs 18 says that temperature in pasteurization is So the most important temperature for the pasteurization is 62.8 centigrade is the correct option. 19 MCQ says that the bacterial culture prepared by the pure culture, what we call that? We call that inoculum. A is the correct option. MCQs 20 says that algae are rich in. So algae are mostly rich in protein, vitamins, carbohydrates. So D is the correct option. All of these. MCQs number 21 says that L-lysine is produced from. So it is mostly produced from the chromium, corynebacterium, glutamicium. A is the correct option. 22 MCQ says that the orderly increase in the quantity of all of the cellular components is known as it is called growth. B is the correct option. Thiobacillus, thioxidant grow at, so it mostly grow at a pH of 1.0, means these are the acidophiles. Slow freezing requires the condition, so it mostly required the condition minus 15 to 3, mostly for 72 hours. This is the exact temperature for the freezing, slow freezing. So C is the correct option. MCQs 25 says that discontinuous heating is called what? It's mostly called sterilization. D is the correct option. So that's all about the MCQs. Means this is almost 25 MCQs related to the chapter number 3. Inshallah, in the next video we will start from the 26 and will end with 50 MCQs. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.